Regarding Santiago, we just received a report last night from Ambassador Tago that the remains, the body that was identified by his brother-in-law turned out to be not him, but that of a Syrian national. So this is through a DNA testing. So that's why there are two cadavers that have not been identified yet, and they will do a DNA testing to those remains. Yeah, it's taking long because now we have learned that it's not, otherwise if we decided to just repatriate it, and then what came here to the Philippines was not Mr. Santiago, but another individual from another country. So that's why it's very important to be very accurate about this, and really study and do the usual process rather than make mistakes. And they will do DNA testing on this one, and let's see what will happen today. It has to match with somebody who is a direct relative of Mr. Santiago. We will only know for sure that he's dead if we are able to see and identify scientifically that one of these bodies are his.